Hi guys, this is Ishan. Today I'm going to talk about 5 passive income ideas which I think are the easiest for anyone to be able to start, and obviously there are a lot more, but these are the ones I think are very easy for anyone. When we think about passive income, there is always the case people think, oh, passive income means that once you have created an income stream, then you don't have to put any effort. But that's not the case. You always have to put effort into it afterwards. But what that means is that once you have created an income stream, and for example you are creating YouTube videos, those videos exist, they don't disappear, so you are keep earning money from them. You are basically creating digital assets, and you will be keep making money through them. Let's start. So the first thing I want to talk about is content creation. Now content creation can be writing, can be videos, can be different type of Instagram posts. Why I think is this is the easiest way is because we all have some sort of knowledge of either, for example, maths, science. I'm a software developer, so I can write about software development. You have to start making more and more content to be able to provide some sort of service or goods to other people who are interested in what you're doing, or interested in the topics you are interested as well. And I find it very easy. Nearly everyone has some sort of hobby or some knowledge, whether they were very good at maths in school or sciences, they can start writing about that. So I would advise to start creating content. The more content you create, the more followers you will have, for example, on Instagram. One of the easiest or simplest way to, if you are into writing, is to use maybe medium.com. Medium.com has made it very easier for a lot of bloggers to come and write about what they have knowledge of. And one of the good thing about Medium is that they will pay you for writing once you have 100 followers and I think 16 hours worth of um, readers who have read your content. So that's the starting point. Now once you have written a little bit of content, you know what you're doing, you have written few blogs, you have few followers, and maybe you have already started earning money from medium.com. Now the second thing I would advise for anyone to do is to start making videos like I'm doing, for example. And the more content you have, the more people are interested in you, the better it will be, the more videos you will make. Obviously YouTube has similar system of paying for their content creators. You need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours worth of video watch time before they start paying you. Now it seems a lot, but you have to obviously put an effort. And some people say that they, after making nearly 90 videos, they started earning money. Some people say that they started earning money after 50 videos. And if you are very good, you might start earning money after 10 or 20 videos. But you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours worth of watch time, which is not unrealistic. Obviously a lot of people are doing it, and you should be able to do that as well once you have enough content to be able to talk about. From how hard it is to do, I would say it's very hard or hard enough to start making videos. But nowadays everybody has cameras, and nowadays everybody has phones, so you can easily use your camera phone and start making videos. From how hard it is, I would say give it 3 stars. And then how hard it is to maintain, I would give 3 stars as well, because once you have start making videos, you have to keep making them to provide the services or the benefit to your subscribers. Hence, the more videos you will make, the more you will earn money, and the more you know about what you should be talking about. You will understand your subscribers, you will understand the content of what you're trying to do. Number 3, now it comes to stocks and shares. We all hear about investing in stocks. It's very good, but a lot of people don't think about doing it because they find it very difficult. They don't understand it. So one of the easiest ways of doing is to invest maybe in index funds, and one of the most powerful index funds are S&P 500. Now, what is an index fund? Index fund is where a lot of stocks are joined together in a group, and S&P 500 is the same. There are 500 top technology American companies which are joined together. What I will do is I will put down the link in the description where you can see the list of those 500 companies. Yes, the companies which are not top 500 anymore, they will go out and then new ones will come in. And the benefit is that you don't have to choose it. Those fund managers will choose it for you. And you will always have a slice of those top companies in your fund. One of the best ways is to buy in a in a tax beneficial wrapper, which in America, for example, is Roth IRA. In UK, we have ISA, which is individual saving account. Now, what ISA means, what ISA does is that it allows you to invest certain amount of money. Currently, is 20,000 per year in stocks and shares, and whatever money you will make from those stocks and shares, you won't pay any tax on it. But obviously, government allows you that simple amount of money every year, so you can't go beyond that. If you go beyond that, you will have to obviously pay tax on it. So these are the simple ways of investing in stocks and shares. And I would, if you have, let's say, $1,000, $2,000 or $5,000 or more, the easiest ways of investing is trying to find a fund and invest in that fund to start with. And the more comfortable you are, the more you will find more companies or other funds, and you will see that what is best for you and where it fits. But just remember, this is a very long-term investment. You won't make money overnight or in 1 week or 2 weeks. If you do, you will be very, very lucky. And so you will have to wait and see what happens. On average, S&P 500 has done very well in the past. Number 4. Now, I will come to a little bit harder, but still very, very easy to start, and is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically you become an affiliate for one or more brands and start selling their goods or services or advertising their goods or services, and in return they will give you commission. One of the easiest one is Amazon Associates, which Amazon nearly everybody uses, everybody knows about, and you can apply for it right now. I think they will give you affiliates Amazon Associate login straight away, but they will ask you that you need to make 3 sales before they can really approve you. So you can apply, you go online, fill up the form, create an Amazon Associate account, and after that any of the products you have used or you would like to sell from Amazon, you create a link for that and you can post it anywhere you like, whether you want to email it to your friends, or you have an email list you can include in that, or you have YouTube followers or subscribers, or Amazon or Instagram followers. So these are the things you can do. But before you do that, obviously you need to have some sort of subscribers, or which I mentioned in point number 1, that you need to create content, and the more content you will create, the more people will be reading your content as part of that, you can start advertising the goods or services you like, or you start reviewing them, which a lot of people do on YouTube and make some money. So this is one of the ways of doing affiliate marketing, and that's obviously is a start. It's a very, very big business. Some people can make up to 20,000 a year easily, and that can be one of the income streams which can give you extra from out of the 5 I'm mentioning here. How hard it is to start? It's very easy to start. How hard is it to maintain? I would say it's not very hard to maintain as well, because once you have created a link and posted, let's say, on your Instagram profile, or created a blog and talked about that product, then it's there, and anybody can go and click on it in a month's time, in 2 months time. But you have to keep creating the content, and you have to keep if you're reviewing products, then you have to keep reviewing products. Otherwise, people won't look at you because you are not actively advertising or talking about things or writing or making videos. Now we come to number 5, and number 5 is about courses. Now this can be very very rewarding, and you can make a lot of money, and a lot of people make quite good money out of this. But you have to have content, you have to be able to provide some sort of benefit to your students basically, or whoever you're teaching your courses. And nowadays it's very easy to create courses. Once you have created one course, multiple people can go and view it again and again and again. Obviously they can ask you questions and you can answer them. They don't have to ask straight away. They can send you an email or send a message to you. And once you have created that course, it makes it easier for you to sell it again and again. And one of the there are many platforms available online, and one of the platforms you can use is Skillshare. Now Skillshare offers obviously offers courses, and they have a subscription model, which what you can do once you have created a course, and if people are attending your courses, then Skillshare will pay you by minute. So however minute somebody has watched, and if your course is very good, they have watched completely your course, and the more the good reviews you're getting about your courses, what they will do is they will bring your course basically on top in your category, and the better it is, the more views you will get, hence you will make more money basically. So this is one of the things which requires a little bit of effort, and how hard it is to start. Obviously you'll have to create a course. Again, I'll give you an example of, I'm a software developer, so I can create a course about a language, the language I specialize in. For example, I work in C#, so I can create a course about how to start learning C#. If you are a photographer, for example, you can start about photography. Or if you're very good in marketing or sales, or you have a very successful Instagram account, you can create a course about how to start an Instagram account. There are many things you can create courses about. You just need to sit down and start and create content and courses. Once you have created some courses, I think it's very easy to maintain. You have to keep creating them, but also you can just keep mentioning them in your videos or in Instagram profiles or other contents, or to your friends. And if anybody goes and watches your course and buy a Skillshare subscription, then obviously you will get paid. Once you have made that course, it's very easy. It's people can keep going back and watching your courses again and again. So I would say it's very very easy to maintain. From maintenance point of view, I will give it 2 stars. Now there are many other ideas to create passive income, and why I have chosen these 5 is because they are the easiest. I find once you know what you're doing, or you know that you have some content you can start talking about, I think these are the easiest ones to start. Anybody can start. You don't need huge amount of equipment. You can see me. I just have a basic mic for now. I'm going to order a better one, hence my video might have a little bit of lower sound. But everybody has mobiles. You can use your mobile to record your videos and start posting. And if you're creating content, again, you can create content using your mobile. You can start writing blogs, or you can start your Instagram account. One of the things nowadays is that you can start creating even content using TikTok or YouTube Shorts. There are many ways of doing it. Here are the 5 topics. Top tip I will give you, that to make money from anything, you have to create value and you have to be consistent. If you just make 1 or 2 videos and you are not being consistent, then obviously after a while your viewers, your subscribers will say, oh, he's not making a lot of content and he's not giving us value, so they might unsubscribe from your channels. So that's one of the things, is being consistent and keep doing what you're doing. Whatever you want to do, in whichever topic you want to make videos or content, you have to keep doing. And that's where passive income comes. Once you have made, you are basically creating your assets online. Once you have created those assets will stay. They are where they are, and they will create more benefit for you in future. That's all from my from me right now. Hopefully I will make more videos, and you will like my videos. Please subscribe to my channel and click that bell button down below. Obviously I will post all the in description all the links I said I will post, and I will see you very soon. Thank you very much.